Hello friends, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to draw the first floor wall plan. We have completed the ground floor plan and the staircase design. Now we are going to do the first floor design. So for that first we have to get the first floor client requirements. We have the first floor client requirements. In the first floor they need family room, 2 bedrooms with attached toilet and balcony, office room, gym room, pantry, common toilet and balcony. And then in the second floor they need a open terrace. Only the staircase headroom will come and the open terrace will be there. In the first floor also we should have the staircase to access the open terrace. Let's copy the first floor requirements here. We can copy the first floor requirement and then do Control V. It will ask you to specify the insertion point. Enter. If you want, you can make this one as little bigger. Scale 2 times. You can keep it aside. Now let's copy this and then we can mark this one as a ground floor plan. Let's copy this ground floor plan and then we can keep it here. So here we have to do little bit modifications to draw this first floor plan. Let's make this title as first floor plan. So here they need 2 bedroom with toilet and balcony. So here we can keep this bedroom and this bedroom as it is, and then they don't need puja room here, so we can delete this one. The same bedrooms we can retain, bedroom 1 and bedroom 2 with attached toilet, and we have to provide the balcony in the back side, and for this bedroom we can provide the balcony over here. And then what we can do is this, we can keep it as a family room, but they need a balcony, this common balcony they need. For that we can change this veranda into balcony, but this is very less space. We don't require this bigger size family room. We can move this wall to line with this kitchen wall. Okay. We can do like this, and this also we can change. This also we can stretch till here. So like this it will be. So this is the family room and this will become the balcony. This opening we can give bigger because it is 3 feet 6 inch only. For the balcony access we can provide the French door over here. So let's stretch this one to another 1 feet, that is 12 inches. So around 4.5 feet we can provide the French door here. And then this will be the office room. This we can make it as office room, and let this one be the this dining area, we can change it to gym room. And then so here we have the utility area and storeroom in the ground floor. This we can convert into pantry, this utility into pantry, and then this one into the toilet. So for this let's stretch this one till here, and we can provide the access from here. Give offset command 2 feet 6 inches door for the toilet. Trim command shift. So from here we can access this toilet. We can provide the door over here, and then this will become the pantry. For the pantry we can provide the access from this side, so that we'll get more space. Let's stretch this one. Offset 2 feet 6 inches again. Trim. This one we can extend to here. Again use the trim command. So this will be open space. There will not be any door. We can provide the L-shaped slab over here. and we can use this one as a small pantry, and this will be the office room. We can give the access to this balcony from this office room as well. Give offset, let's take 3 feet. So it is too small. We can provide the French window instead of the door, so that looks good here for the office room. So what we can do, just we can stretch this one into another 1 feet 6 inches. So totally it will become 4.5 feet from here. Use the trim command. So like this we can provide. So this will be a nice opening. French door we can provide. And if we look into this door, French door, it is 4.5 feet only. We can even take this one till 6 feet. The 6 feet will give you the nice opening space. So we have almost completed this area, and next we have to provide the balconies for these 2 bedrooms. So we can take the line command. If you measure this distance, we have given 6 feet. Take the line command, 4 feet, and come to this wall edge. So here we have to take the offset. We can take the offset this side because inside clear distance we need 4 feet gap. So 4 inches offset we can take outside. Sorry, only this side we need outside. This 2 sides shorter direction we can take it inside because already we have taken the line from the outer edge. Use the trim command, shift extend, leave shift and then just do the trimming. Again trim these lines too. Now if you measure and see, the balcony size will be exact 4 feet inside, and if you look into this one it is 16 feet 10 inches. Okay, so we have the balcony over here. We can provide the access to this balcony from here. So we can take a line command, line with this wall. This from here we can provide the door offset 3 feet. Trim command. Here there will be a door and this will be the opening space for the dressing area. We have completed this balcony, and next we can provide the balcony for this bedroom. Take the line command, 4 feet 4 inches. Let's take line till here. We can take offset 4 inches. All around inside we can take the offset, and then here we can trim these things. So we have got the balcony over here. If you measure and see, this distance is 4 feet, clear 4 feet, and this is around 19 feet. And we have to provide the opening for this balcony. So let's provide the opening from here. Offset 3 feet, trim. So here we can provide the door for this balcony. We have completed the first floor plan. Let's just cross check with this checklist. We have the family room this one, and bedroom 1 with toilet and balcony. This is bedroom 1 with toilet and the balcony. Bedroom 2 with toilet and balcony, and we have office room. This is the gym room. Pantry we have, and then we have the common toilet, and we have the front balcony. Next let's copy this one, and when you go to terrace, that is the second floor, this we can make it as terrace floor plan or second floor plan. Second floor plan only we have terrace area, open terrace. So we'll be having the staircase headroom. So we can delete all these lines, all these wall lines. This will be there. This has to be extended. Stretch. Use the stretch command till here. Stretch command. Stretch this one. It will be like this. The staircase headroom will be there, and we'll be having the parapet wall. This we can extend to here. This we can extend. So we have the parapet wall all around the building. So it will be like this. Even we can place the water tank in the southwest corner. So in the second floor plan, we have the staircase headroom, and in the southwest corner we can place the water tank. So almost we have completed all the floor plans. Now let's draw the main gate and the wicket gate. Main gate is for the car entry and the wicket gate is for the two-wheeler entry. And also if any guest or the person comes, it will be easy for them to open the small gate instead of opening the main gate every time. If you take a car with the side mirror open, the width of the car will be 7 feet, and both side we have to leave 1 feet for the easy movement. So 9 feet width we need for the easy movement of the car. So this main gate we can provide 9 feet. Let's check the measurement here. You see here we have 11 feet 9 inches. So we can provide the gate up to here. Draw the rectangle at the rate of 12 inches. Not 12 inches. So this is for the main gate pillar. We can provide in this corner one pillar, and then another pillar we can provide in line with this one. If we measure this distance, it is 10 feet 9 inches. So we need 9 feet for the easy movement of the car. So here we have 10 feet 9 inches. So this we can make it as a main gate. After that we have to provide the wicket gate. The width of the two-wheeler will be 2 feet. So we have to provide an offset of 1 feet on each side. So that will come totally 4 feet. Copy this and then give the distance as 5 feet, so that in inner distance we will get 4 feet, because this is 1 feet wide column. We have the 4 feet wide small gate here. So this is how you have to arrange the entry for the house. We have completed all the floor plans. I hope you understand clearly. That's all about this lecture. Let's meet in the next lecture.